All right, got some exciting news. We have the Awaken blend that just came in. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but I've been taking something like this for the past 18 months. So the theory was, what if you can take all the best things and put it into a coffee drink supplement? So basically, colostrum, collagen peptides, Ceylon cinnamon to decrease your insulin levels, cacao flavonoids, which are known to double your stem cells if you take it over 1 month. Also, all the functional mushrooms. Now, the best part about this is that you get 2,000 milligrams of each. All the other functional mushrooms that I've tried only give you 300 milligrams. And we're talking lion's mane to increase neuroprotective in your brain, Chaga and Reishi to boost your immune system, and the very last thing is sea salt. So let's see how it tastes. All right, opening up the first bag we've ever had. This is so cool because I've been mixing all this by myself online from other Amazon brands, and it got super expensive. So what I usually do is just pour myself some coffee. This is really light coffee. Now the best part about this is that it's flavored with stevia and monk fruit, so it won't break your fast. And let's see how it tastes. Whoa! Oh man, it tastes really, really good. It almost tastes like a light hot cocoa, like that Mexican hot cocoa. Oh man. You have 8 powerful ingredients in one easy to use bag. And it's the best because I actually made this entire concoction by myself. My brother is the one who packaged it, and now you can get yours today. So click the link in the bio to get yours today.